room 607. We're on the 6th floor. About to give y'all a little room tour. We're in building 8. We got the volcano view. It cost just a little bit more than the regular room, so we was like, let's just do it. We've been here before too, so. Here's the bathroom. Usual stuff here. Tissues, washcloths, towels, some soap. Got a nice mirror, some lights. The toilet. And here's the tub. It looks cool. It's like an old school theme. That's like what the hotel's theme is, so that's cool. All right, some more towels, some dryer right here. This look kind of old. Some pillows, blankets, ironing board, closet. And this the room. It's a nice size room, not gonna lie. Some nice designs on the carpet. Yeah, like it looks good. I ain't gonna lie. I got a nice art on the wall. Little old school clocks. It's horror nights, so it got like little horror night stuff going on. Phone, TV. It's a little TV. It's cool. And then you got a little coffee maker. Lamp. Is this a fridge? Yeah. All right. So cool. We got a fridge. All right, fridge, that's what's up. It's good to get a fridge, man. And here's our view. We got the Volcano Bay view. We never been there yet, so I'm trying to go there soon. I might turn these lights off so you can get a nice view of it. Oh, they're going back automatic. Whoa. Okay, yeah, let me turn these lights off so you guys get a better view. We're on the 6th floor, so probably get a decent view from here. Yeah, that's crazy. We gotta go. We never really are like water park people like that, but we might check it out soon. Yeah, man, that's a nice view. You can see the pool. That's the room. We're gonna be here just for a night. Then this weekend we got plans. We're gonna go to Epic Universe Sunday. So tomorrow we're gonna have a family outing with the fam. Then that night we're gonna stay at Terra Luna, and then Sunday we're gonna do Epic Universe. So we're gonna be posting more.